What is up everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're all staying safe. It was quite clear yesterday that the overwhelming majority of you liked the new wall. However, quite a few of you also like this setup. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a hybrid of both, and we'll see what happens. So make sure again to let me know what you think down below. Also, I'm wearing white today, as per multiple people's request. So today we've got a bunch of pieces of information that I think you guys are going to find quite interesting. There has been a few pretty interesting, pretty weird things happening that are going to lead to virtual reality being much more real. And I don't know if that's scary or normal, but it's evolution, and I'm here to tell you about it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first piece of news, VRCover seems to have made an Oculus Quest 2 case. So if you guys are looking for a hard shell case for your Oculus Quest 2 and want to pay less than the original price for the official case, you might want to take a look at the VRCover case. Currently, there are a few setbacks. It seems to only be available in the US, and that is not its only problem, unfortunately. It also seems to not be able to house the Elite head strap, and it seems to not be able to house any knuckle-strapped controllers, meaning even if you have the official knuckle straps from VRCover on your Oculus Quest 2, they will unfortunately not fit the case. According to me, that's kind of a weird move, considering it's your own product and you're trying to sell it and it should fit, but hey, look, it doesn't. So that's a problem you have there. According to me, it looks nice and looks like it will protect your headset just fine. Now this one is quite interesting, and I'm gonna read it off of Road to VR. It's a new haptic gun. Striker VR raised $4 million to bring its haptic VR gun to consumers. And I mean, this thing, if you don't think this thing looks futuristic as all hell, I don't know what looks futuristic to you. This looks like the Tesla of guns, honestly. Look at it, it's all just polygons, it's all just flatness. It looks so futuristic. Let me read the article. Striker VR, maker of high-end haptic VR gun peripherals for the out-of-home market, announced today it has raised a $4 million investment and plans to use the funds to make its first move into the consumer VR space. Striker VR's Arena Infinity VR guns packs perhaps the most powerful haptic punch you'll find in any VR gun peripheral. They've been deployed at VR attractions from the likes of Spaces, Nomadic, and more. VR experiences are able to take advantage of versatile haptics, which can create sensations that mimic a wide range of virtual objects, all the way from a charge-up sci-fi gun to a chainsaw. Honestly, this thing blows my mind. It looks absolutely incredible, and it seems that we're getting to the next point of VR haptic guns, so it is something to be excited about. Epic Games have made a software called MetaHumans, or should I even call it a software at this point? It is super realistic humans for VR, for gaming, for computing in general, and it is honestly kind of scary. These things are, well, actually, can I call them things? At this point, I feel like if I say something wrong, I'm actually going to offend them, and they will come to my house and destroy me. They look absolutely incredible, and here is the best part. You can check them out in VR with this incredible demo. These are probably one of the most realistic humans we have seen to date, and the fact that real humans are closer to reality than they have ever been is kind of scary. However, let me read you the blurb from Upload VR. Metahumans are fully rigged, high-fidelity virtual character models designed to bring lifelike humans into video games. On platforms like PC and next-generation consoles, they can look stunningly realistic. In VR, inevitably, the extra performance power can take a hit on some PCs, so you're gonna need a pretty powerful PC to check this out. However, I think it's well worth it, and yeah, let me know what you think down below. Are these going to take over the world, or do we still have some time to go? AppLab, the thing we all love, and the thing that makes it so much easier to sideload games to your Oculus Quest. You don't even need a PC, you don't even need a phone. Well, AppLab has gotten its second hit of games recently, and here is the full list of titles that have now been added to AppLab. Rhythm and Bullets, Arcaxer, Bard Hero VR, Cyber Tennis, and Shinobi Breaker. These games have been added. Upload VR has checked them out. That article will be down below in case you guys are interested in their opinion on these games. But the more games, the better, and it seems that AppLab is growing pretty fast, so that's great news for us and developers adding to the store. Now this one I find pretty interesting. John Carmack hopes for ID VR ports on AppLab with Microsoft approval. If you guys don't know what ID Software is, they've made some pretty iconic games in the past. So let me read you the article. Facebook's consulting CTO for Oculus had a brief exchange with modder Simon Dr. Beef Brown on Twitter discussing the possibility of bringing the developers' community-made VR ports of classic games to AppLab. The exchange started with Dr. Beef stating that him and Team Beef intend to get some of the ports listed on AppLab SIC, starting with Quake. So there you go, Quake being one of those games. Team Beef are behind a plethora of VR ports of classic 90s games such as Quake, Doom, Wolfenstein 3D, and many more. And I've talked about this in the past. These run as standalone VR ports that can be sideloaded onto the Oculus Quest. If we could get these onto AppLab, it would give so many more users an option to try out these classics on their headset completely standalone. Honestly, that is pretty exciting. And finally, JVC have released their headset. Now, I don't know what you guys know JVC for, but I know JVC for making my dad's 10-year-old camera. And honestly, it worked pretty well. But now he has a phone, and the phone is more powerful than that camera. Anyway, they made an XR headset. And honestly, it looks so damn overpowered. How many cameras is that? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras just in the front? Are those even cameras? JVC Kenwood announced late last year that it was testing the XR waters with a new headset for enterprise users, which boasts a wide field of view of 120 degrees and 2.5K resolution per eye. That's pretty insane. Now the company says its device is headed to enterprise partners starting in late March. This thing is clearly only for enterprise users and will not be available to consumers, or at least that's what I'm getting from this. And yeah, it's seems quite overpowered. Very high resolution, 120 degrees FOV. Yeah, there's still no clear pricing on the table. It's listed as an open price product, which the company says does not have a manufacturer's suggested retail price. So let's jump straight down to the bottom of the article. So we're running at a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels per eye. That's a total of 5120 by 1440, which is pretty damn amazing. The horizontal FOV is 120 degrees and the vertical FOV is 45. The frame rate, it's going to be running at 60 or 72, so that's a little bit of a downside right there. To the people that love their 90 Hz on their Oculus Quest 2, it's going to support Steam VR tracking, has a 5.5-inch LCD. It's going to be running at DisplayPort 2.0 and USB 2.0. What? USB 2.0. I find that offensive for some reason. And the weight is going to be 530 grams, and that is excluding the strap and cable. So there are clearly a few downsides to this, including the refresh rate. However, it is still an exciting headset to see with that extremely large FOV. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you want to see more headsets with an extremely large FOV but at a more consumer-friendly price? Well, I sure do. Now what I would like to talk about is the Oculus Quest 2 version 25 update, because this thing has a whole variety of issues, and issues that have been quite obvious, quite painful to work with, and quite a few people have been having issues with them. The Oculus Quest 2 version 25 update was supposed to come with Messenger, was supposed to come with a bunch of features to make the headset better. Unfortunately, currently it seems to be doing quite the opposite. Nobody I know has received the Messenger update. If you have, please let us know down in the comment section below, and nobody that I know is happy with it. That is, including myself. I received the update after a bunch of people told me that it was making their interface laggy and that the headset no longer seemed to run at 90 Hz. Now, I can assure you that the headset does still seem to be running at 90 Hz. I could be completely off there, but it is unbelievably laggy. The interface glitches, the interface freezes, and I have had more Guardian problems than ever, where the headset just kind of freezes, stays in that one spot, doesn't even do 3DoF, and I need to restart the headset in order for it to start working. A lot of people have been having these problems. They have issues with the link, they have issues with the interface, and nothing seems to be working like it should be. Version 25 overall just seems to be a massive, massive failure. However, if you guys are down there, if you guys are in the comment section and you don't have any issues, please let us know. It's nice to hear some happy stories from time to time, you know, some success stories to show us that not all is bad. Okay, now that we have the news out of the way, let's jump straight into meme review and review your guys' quality memes on the subreddit. If you guys are not yet part of the subreddit, make sure to check it out down below. So this is currently our most upvoted post. Danny equals the Mysticle confirmed. Now, the Mysticle is spelt incorrectly, and I actually got a notification saying this post has gone viral on the subreddit, and by viral, it just meant it was getting a lot of comments, so we're gonna make sure to go through those as well. So this seems to be a drawing of the circle of life, or the circle of gang, depending on what you want to see here. So it seems that we start at the 360p gang, and 360p equals a circle. The circle is round, and round is thick. Thick equals Danny's catchphrase. Danny is milk gang. Milk gang equals whole milk. Whole is a circle and 360 degrees. Okay, so somebody is clearly Einstein here. The knowledge here is just beyond any level of comprehension that I could ever do, and my English is working very well, thank you very much. Yeah, so somebody in the comments section, damn, you are Einstein, we should do something like that, was really cool, but with Mysticle. Yeah. And then we just have a bunch of people saying, wow, that was really cool. Wow, that was really cool. Wow, that was really cool. Yeah, we just have a bunch of that happening in the comment section. There's just a bunch of comments. This post, GG, I mean, you know, quality. Circle of life right there. Also, but I can highly assure you, yeah, I can assure you I am not Danny. Danny is not me. Danny collab with me. I've won, but at what cost? When your internet fails, so you can only watch vids in 360p. This is a win. This is a win-win in both situations. Trust me, you're using less internet bandwidth, you're watching at the correct resolution, and there is no negatives to this situation, okay? You're getting the highest fidelity you possibly can at 360p resolution. Just ask anyone. Ask anyone on the Discord, they will confirm it for you. You've won at a very good cost, trust me. Damn, and it's just me staring at the fire. Yeah, this was at yesterday's pancake live stream. It may or may not have actually happened. Yeah, I guess you'll just have to watch the live stream to find out. Yeah, there would yeah, don't worry about it. I think people are slightly concerned about my mustache on the Reddit. Well, I actually had it done like really well by someone, so you know, it looks better now. It looks definitely much better than it did. You can say it's actually sort of working out, but yeah, people seem to be slightly concerned about it. Is he winning though? Are you winning, son? And it's just me eating a pancake. GG, guys. GG. You guys always come up with the weirdest things. Like, honestly, where'd you get this from? Oh, this is me holding my pancakes? This is me holding my successful pancakes? Minecraft villager sound effect. 305. Yep. There you go. That's that door cam. Oh, people don't want to see me. You want to see the door? Here's the door. Okay, you guys are seeing the door for the rest of the video. Clearly seems I am also a hacker man. Through the knowledge of my hacker skills, when we set up bots on the live stream yesterday, I am now a hacker man, and this is the case. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. It was quite a different video. We had quite a few quality pieces of news, and we had the hybrid approach of a little bit of this and a little bit of the normal setup. Let me know what you think down below. I've got the lighting fixed, I closed my window, I've got an audio fixed, I've brought the mic up way closer so there should be no more echo, which there was yesterday. However, one thing that I can't do for you guys, which a lot of people were saying, is zoom out. Because when I zoom out, this happens. Yeah. This is a thing. So we're gonna zoom back in and pretend that never happened. But I did wear white today. We wear our quality merch. So let me know what you think about that down below. Let me know what you think overall about this. I take the community's advice. So if you guys have any ideas or if you just want the old setup back, let me know. I just think this looks highly professional. As much as I do love the homeliness of the channel, when I am sitting on the chair speaking directly to you, I want you to know that with this setup, nothing has changed. Community is still #1 for me. I just thought you guys might enjoy this a little bit more because, you know, professionalism. And that's kind of what I enjoy heading towards for you guys. But if you prefer homeliness, I can do that as well. So if you guys liked today's video, please give it a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of the community, make sure to join the Discord down below, make sure to join that Reddit, post your spicy memes on there, join that Minecraft server, IP to it is down below, it's both Bedrock and Java, so the same server on Bedrock and Java, I know, mind-blowing. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick merch down below, like this hoodie that doesn't put a huge ad on your body, and we've got mugs that boost your FPS by 300%. Ooh, lighting is slightly off now. And if you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack the subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.